Hello sa inyong lahat. Sa videong ito, we are going to convert metric units of capacity. The metric units of capacity are all based on the liter. So, ang basic or ang fundamental unit of capacity ay liter. In this video, we are going to convert between liter and milliliter. Para mas mapabilis ang pag-convert, tandaan lamang na ang 1 liter ay equal sa 1,000 milliliters. Okay, sagutin natin ang mga ito. 6 liters is equal to how many milliliters? Kung sa 1 liter may 1,000 milliliters, if we have 6 liters, then ang 6 kailangan nating i-multiply by 1,000. So 6 times 1,000, that is 6,000. So ang 6 liters is equal to 6,000 milliliters. Okay, how about if we have 10 liters? Okay, ilan ito in milliliter? So ang 10 times 1,000. And that is equal to 10,000. So ang 10 liters is equal to 10,000 milliliters. Okay, what about if we have 100.5 liters? Ilan ito in milliliters? So ang 100.5 times 1,000. Okay, this time we are multiplying a decimal number by 1,000. Okay, we can apply the shortcut here. Since we are multiplying by 1,000, okay, we just need to move the decimal place ng 100.5 papuntang right ng 3 beses. Okay, tanggalin muna natin to. 3 beses papuntang right. So 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, decimal point ay mapupunta dito. Okay, just write 2 zeros here. So ang 100.5 liters is equal to, okay, 100,500 milliliters. Okay, next. This time, milliliter to liter. Kung kanina, liter to milliliter, we multiply the number by 1,000. This time, milliliter to liter, we need to divide the number by 1,000. So, if we have 10,000 milliliters, ilan ito in liter? So, ang 10,000, okay, divided by 1,000. Okay, we apply the shortcut. Since we are dividing by 1,000, we just need to move the decimal place ng 10,000 papuntang left ng 3 beses. So from here, 1, 2, 3 decimal point ay mapupunta dito. So 10,000 milliliters is equal to 10 liters. Okay, number 5. 7 milliliters is equal to how many liters? So 7 divided by, okay, 1,000. Okay, since we are dividing by 1,000, move the decimal place ng 7 3 beses papuntang left. So 1, 2, 3, decimal point mapupunta dito. So write 2 zeros here. So 7 milliliters is equal to 0.007 liter. Okay, what about number 6? 14.5 milliliters is equal to how many liters? So, ang 14.5 divided by 1,000. Okay, move the decimal place ng 14.5. 3 beses papuntang left. So, 1, 2, 3 decimal point ay dito. And then write 0 here. So, 14.5 milliliters is equal to 0.0145 liter.